Hello, today you're looking at a Darrah electric 3000 amp 10 volt air cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This unit does have tap switch controls, as you can see there on the front. It is wired for 230 volt, 3-phase, has been checked out here at Lanco's in good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Overall dimensions, 48 inches long by 36 inches wide by 66 inches tall. Has rated 100 input amps. And come back around to the front to start it, hit the start button. Amps and volts go up. Turn the knobs as you'd like. Take a look at the O-scope wave here. Very nice, quiet machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.